Hey guys, how you doing? It's Mud for Breakfast right here. Just wanted to show you guys the exhaust on my Polaris highlifter 1000. It's pretty rednecking exhaust out here. So all I did was I got a 3-inch hole saw and sent it to the side of the exhaust, and it sounds pretty damn good if you ask me, for a free mod if you already have a hole saw. So you go to Auto Parts, get a 3-inch diameter tubing, steel tubing, and you just weld it onto the end. That's all I did. So here it is, check it out. See that right there? Yep, that's a stock muffler right there. Stock exhaust. You can still see the little pea shooters right there. Look at that, looking cute and shit. But yeah guys, just hole saw right there, weld a pipe on it, and you're good. I'm gonna show you right now how she sounds. I need to hold the brake here. Give me a sec. There we go. Y'all hear that shit?